Hi guys, so sorry, I'm sick. So I'm gonna make a tutorial on this little dude just for my friends. It's not for anybody else. Don't steal OCs. Remember that. It's not my normal gacha club because obviously I used up all the slots for characters. So first thing you need to do is you need to get the height at a good old 10, like that. There we go. And the head we gotta make it the smallest possible, which is 11. We gotta make the skin white, and then the outline of the skin make it like this one right here. And then we have that. Oh, yes, queen. And then for the eyes, we're gonna do that later. For the hair, I have to look back at it too. So it ends right there, and that's 2 right there. So the hair, make sure it's a dude, of course, because duh. And make sure the hair is after this one, it's this one right here. Oh, I already picked my kids up. Oh my god. And then make sure the other hair is 192, which is this one, the one right here on page 10, row 3, and the second one, then make sure the hair, I keep on looking back, is this one, page 4, row 3, column 4, push with that, and then the hoodie, the hoodie is the 6th one, so we have that. And then the colors are like a grayish, and the outline, of course, is the blackest one. And then the highlights is this one right here. I think it's this one right here. Nope, the lower. This color right here. It's for the highlights. Just make sure we have that. And then these are the things. So for the front hair, it's 19. It's x plus 1, y plus 9. Then the x scale is 2, and the y scale is 20, and the rotation is just at 1. And then for the back hair, the x is 0, and the y is -2, and the x scale is 6, and the y scale is 19, and the rotation is 1. And then the hugget is just normal. It doesn't even have to change. There's that. So 9 to 20. I want the saints go marching in. I want the saints go marching in. Oh yes, I want to be in the number when the alright. And make sure the back is a black, like more darker than the front, like that. So there's that, and then we're gonna have the eyes next. So for one, we have to make it like that, and then the other one is like this. Just bear with me; it'll look better, okay? So for the right one, we go. Sorry, for the right. Stop it! Like this. Make sure it's a little. Like that. And then for the right eye, make sure you have it all the way then upside down, then spread it like that. Like that. And then make sure the eyebrow is at this one right here, and no right eyebrow, and make sure it's like a sadish. Like that. And then for the mouth, it's kind of tricky because we have to have it like this. Like that. And then we have to have it an accessory. And make sure the accessory is this one. Put that as black and come down. And like that. See, which makes the mouth like that. So we have that, and then he doesn't need a nose. He just doesn't need a nose. And there's an alt with this. We have that. Sorry, I sounded like really horny. Look at that. See, that was the extra, but we don't always have to have that. So next, after this, we're gonna do the clothes. Okay. So first things first, we have to have the first shirt like this, and make sure it's like around this color, and then the outline is this color. I believe so. Yep. And then make sure you always get rid of the shirt logo. The shirt logo sucks. I don't know why they added that. And then for the jacket, which is like, which is basically that top he's wearing. It has to be this one. 28. Page 2, row 2, column 3. 28. And then make sure it's like the same color like that, but just add an extra like a brighter like a darker gray for the collar. And then for the shirt, I believe we have, yes we do. So we have scroll on and it's right here. Page 3, row 2, column 4 is right there. And make sure it just matches up with that and do the same for the sleeves. There we go. We got that first. And then for the skirt, but they didn't really have a skirt, but the layer top is this one. Page 3, row 3, column 5. I had to count that real quick. And just leave it like that. It doesn't need to be changed. And then make sure it's this page 4, row 2, column 3. Right there. Doesn't need to be changed again. And then for the pants, we have a good old this right here. Page 2, row 2, column 2. Aha. And then make sure the pants are the same color. Same color. As all. And make sure it's a little darker on the other side. Alright, we have that. So then, open the settings. Go matching. And you don't need to change it at all. It's perfect the way it is. Just like you, Pokey. Just like you. Don't end it. And then make sure it's the same exact colors. Yep. And then for the shoes, we have this one right here. Page 2, row 1, column 1. Haha. Then make sure it's a little lighter than the others. Like that. Make sure that outline is up here. And then it gets darker right there. Yep. Okay. So then, then if we go next, and then for the cape, I believe we have this right here. Yeah, we have the cape 35, which is also known as page 2, row 4, column 5. Make sure that's all black, and scale that up here a little bit. There we go. And then he doesn't have a tail, but I gave him a little windy up thingy. I gave Tony this one time. I lost it. So make sure that it's page 3, row 3, column 5, which is also known as 55. And then make sure you have these colors right here on both sides, and then the outline is that, I believe so. Yep. Nope. Yep. Like that. Make sure it's a little lower. And there you go. And make sure it's hooked to the back and up the ass. Right there. Right there. Oh. And then the wing. He doesn't have any wings, does he? And then he has gloves, I believe so. Let me see that. Yep. He has the gloves. Only on one hand, though. Remember that. Keep that. And then make it the same color as the skin. Okay. For the shoulder, we have this one. Basically, page 1, column 2, row 3. No. Page 2, row 3, column. Page 2, row 2, column 3. There we go. And then make sure it's a bright. I believe so. No, it's like this. So, okay. So the colors are bright, like a dark gray and a lighter dark gray. And then make them darker like that. Sorry if I'm going way too fast. This is how I roll. And then for the wrist, make sure it's the right one. And then make sure his arms are So, different. It's because it is. Okay, so there's a difference. We have this one and this one. I'd rather go with this one. It looks cooler. So make sure that's at darker. So a darker red. This one down here. Oh no, right now one down here. And then the outline is this gray. Wait, this. The outline is brown right here. And there's that. And then the knee. Right now we have this one right here. Page 1, row 3, column 2. And make sure that's a little bit lighter, of course. I believe so. Yep, like that. And then we go up a little bit to the accessory and make sure that he has a bow tie. So that bow tie is going to be on page 3, row 4, column 1. And that bow tie's color is a dark gray, like that, I believe so. Oh, no, wrong tie. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So that's page 4, row 1, page 1, row 4, column 1. There we go. And that bow tie is a little darker, which is like this. Oh, all right, we're doing that now. And the outline is down here. All right, so we have that. Make sure the back is a little bit this. Okay, so it doesn't look quite right yet, and that is honestly right because I haven't done it yet. So first things first, we go here. Wait, which one is it? Okay, so first things first, we go to accessory, and make sure you do the bottom accessory first for this one. So you go, and this one is page 6, row 3, column 4. And this color is like a light gray, which is the 5th gray down. And make sure that's a little bit, you take it and make it skinny, 12, 11, 12, like that. And maybe not 12. Maybe make it like a little there. I like that. If that makes sense. And then we're gonna do top right here, and we instantly do this X one right here. Page 5, row 1, column 1. Sorry, I'm stuttering a lot today. Then make sure you make it an X instead of a check, and like that. There we go. And then right here in the middle, we make sure we do a dot like this, which is basically page 5, row 2, column 2, I believe. Yeah, row 2, column 2, and make sure it's the biggest one. Make sure it's like this, and make the whole thing black. That gives them the little sad face. And then we're almost done, you guys. Almost done. And then for the hat, we have for the hat, it's the first page, row 4, column 1. That's the first one I gotta write. And then make sure the hat is a little like I think it's the same color, isn't it? No, a little brighter. This bright right here, and then like that, and then the wrapping around that's blue right now is gonna be this red right here, just like that. There we go. And then I've mistaken. No. Okay, so we have to redo the mouth real quick. So get rid of that and put it right here. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna redo that. See, we have the mouth now. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we have the mouth, and then right here, we page 2, row 4, column 1. Gonna make it the same color. So you put it up, and away, up to the hat, like that. There we go. And we got it. All right, we're good now. There's your little character, motherfucker. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at that.